Hello students, today we will discuss our chapter linear inequalities. In last class we have discussed linear inequalities. Rules to solve a linear inequality by different modes that we have discussed in last video. Today we will solve some of the example. First of the example is that solve question 1 example, that is 30x is less than 220. लिखा हुआ है solve 8. Whenever x is natural number, the case 1 is x is natural number and case 2 x is an integer. There are two cases, x is a natural number and x is an integer. First calculate the x by given inequality 30x less than 220. In last video we have discussed something is in multiplication with the x, that should be removed by divided to it in both side, left as well as right. So there is the 30 in the product of x, so we will divide by 30 in the denominator of both the side. So the left is written like that and this will return 22 over 3, which is approx less than 7 point. 3 7 are 21, 1 0, 3 3 are 9, again 3 3 are 9, like that. This will be the value of x. So question 1 is x is a natural number. Question 1 is x is a natural number. So natural numbers are start from 1 and proceeding up to infinite but proper values. So the x is less than 7.33. So the x is actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, क्योंकि x क्या है लेस देन 7.33, right? Whenever the x is a natural number, x is a natural number. Part 2, x is an integer. X is an integer. Integers are the negative integers also there, the positive integers are also there. So there is the answer dot 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 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and क्या लिखेंगे लास्ट में 7.33, राइट? तो करली ब्रैकेट अगर इंक्लूड करता हूं मैं, so this is to be written, there is curly bracket and there is also curly bracket because the next integer is 8. So up to the 7, or you have to return there 220, then it to the 7. This is the question. Inequality, the example is given. Solution, we will do first this, x calculate कर लिया. Thereafter condition 1 is x is a natural number. तो जब natural number लिया तो x का जो आंसर है that is always less than 7.33. So the natural number less than 7 are 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, and 7 also. And जब x an integer है तो नेगेटिव में all excluded, infinite and the positive up to the 7, right? next question. 5x minus 3. Question number, next example is there. 5x minus 3. Example number 2. 5x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1. Or written there, solve it. Downside, x is an integer and x is a real number. First case, x is an integer. Case 2, x is a real number. There are two cases, right? In both the cases we will give the answer. The question is for first, less than 3x plus 1. So the x, first the numerical value we will sort out from the left. So add plus 3 both the side. Add plus 3 both the side. Now the result is written 3x plus 4. Now the x is to be having in the left as well as right. So we will remove from the right, it should be 3x. We will subtract 3x from both the side and it will return like that. Now this cancel by this, the result is written like that and x is less than 2. This is the solution. Divided by 2 to the both sides and the result you are getting, that is x is less than 2. Now the case 1 is x is an integer. Whenever x is an integer, the result of this answer will be minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, less than 2. Leave it. This is the answer of first part. Right hand, x is an integer. Whenever the part 2, x is a real number. Part 2, x is a real number less than 2. It means 2 को आप लेफ्ट करेंगे और माइनस इनफाइनाइट पे अप साइड लेफ्ट में मूव करेंगे. This is the x and there is belongs to minus infinite to 2. क्यों? x क्या है? lesser to, 2 से कम है. अब कम कितना? in infinite, negative side there is a minus infinite. So this bracket shows that exclude this and this. Between this all the values of x is to be having solution of this question. Right? Next question, solve. Example number 3, in a same manner you solve it. Example number 4, 5 minus 2x over 3 less equal x by 6 minus of 5. This is the question, right? लिखा हुआ है solve. और solve का meaning क्या होता है? Solve is to be meaning that find out the value of x. क्या करना है? x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना. क्या करें? सबसे पहले डिनोमिनेटर का 3 रिमूव करें तो मल्टीप्लाई 3 टू बोथ साइड. Return again 3 multiplied to this, 3 multiplied to this. This is x by 2. This is 15. It is clear? Now remove this 5. क्या करें? Subtract 5 to both sides. Now cancel this, minus 20. क्या करें? Divide by 2 to both sides. Write again. मल्टीप्लाई बाई -1, तो क्या हो जाएगा? इनइक्वलिटी कन्वर्ट इनटू अपोजिट इनइक्वलिटी, राइट है? दिस इज रिटर्न x greater equal -x/4 + 10. But the x is there in the right side, so this will be removed from the right, it should be taken into the left. So how then? Plus by x/4 to the both side. So x greater equal minus of x/4 plus 10, add x/4 to both side, x plus x/4 greater equal, there is a LCM, what you are getting? Now removed, this is to be removed, multiply 4/5 to the both side, cancel x greater equal to the 8. This is the answer of this question, right? So concern over it, answer is this. और अगर इस आंसर को आप ब्रैकेट के फॉर्म में कहेंगे तो 8 को इंक्लूड कर रहे हो और ग्रेटर इनफाइनाइट, दिस इज द x बिलोंग्स टू, राइट देयर आंसर, x बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज 8 to infinite. Next is 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. Next question. Seven x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. और कह रहे हैं सॉल्यूशन इज शो द ग्राफ ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन ऑन नंबर लाइन, दैट इज रिटन, शो द ग्राफ ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन ऑन नंबर लाइन. इस ग्राफ का जो सॉल्यूशन है शो ऑन द नंबर लाइन. तो क्या करें? फाइंड आउट द x, सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 टू बोथ साइड, कर दो सब्ट्रैक्ट, what we will get? 6. This 5x is to be shifted, subtract 5x to the both side, क्या होगा? कैंसिल, डिवाइड 2, डिवाइड बाई 8 to 2, क्या रिजल्ट आ गया? x less than 3. शो ऑन, शो द ग्राफ ऑन नंबर लाइन. नंबर लाइन इज दिस, सपोज there is 0, less than 3, equal is not there, suppose 3 is there, then you just take it hollow and rest answer. This is the hollow circle, and less than 3 your answer will be represented like the dark bold line. Like that. This is the answer. Graph on number line. Clear? This 3 is excluded because there is no sign of equal. So there is a hollow sphere. This is hollow circle. Next. Example number 7. Listen it first carefully. The marks obtained by a student of class 11th in first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48 marks obtained in terminal examination first. मार्क्स कितने ऑब्टेन किए 62, सेकंड में कितने किए 48 मार्क्स. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual exam to an average at least 60 marks. कितने minimum marks he will go that the average should be at least 60. Let the marks be obtained in the annual exam that be X, then the average should be at least 60. Let the marks obtained in annual exam that is X. In the annual examination, the terminal 1, terminal 2 and the annual exam whole summation, that's average at least 60, meaning 62 plus 48 plus x divided by 3. This is the average. क्या कम से कम तो greater equal 60, at least 60, कम से कम 60 होना चाहिए. Maximum it has no limit, right? Calculate the value of x. क्या करें, ऐड कर लें पहले 0 और 110 plus x divided by 3 less greater equal 60, multiplied by 3 to the both side. This is cancelled, 180, subtract 110 to the both side, 70. X either equal 70 or more than 70. If he obtains, then its average should be at least 60. कम से कम 60 तो होगा ही होगा. 60 कहाँ होगा? Whenever she got 70 marks. Sum of these is 110, add 70, 180 divided by 3, the result is 60. So at least 60 he or she will get whenever he gets the minimum marks, that is 70, or at least is there. So if he wants to get more, then attain more marks. Next, find all pair of consecutive odd natural number. Consecutive odd natural number, consecutive odd natural number, both of which are larger than 10, both of which are larger than 10, both of them which are larger than 10, and their sum is less than 40. Their sum is less than 40. Right? Consecutive odd natural number. Suppose first natural number x, the next odd natural number is x plus 2. Suppose first natural number be odd natural number be x, then the next odd natural number be x plus 2. Now come on question. Both of which are larger than 10. राइट है, बोथ ऑफ विच, ये भी 10 से बड़ी है और ये भी 10 से बड़ी है. अगर ये 10 से बड़ी है तो ऑब्वियसली 10 से बड़ी होगी. सो द बाय दिस कंडीशन वी विल कंक्लूड दैट x इज ग्रेटर देन 10, लार्जर देन 10. नेक्स्ट, देयर सम इज लेस देन, देयर सम लेस देन 40. These two equation inequality we will form here. Now solve them. First conclusion is there. By second we will write here 2x plus 2 less than 40 or 2x subtract 2 both side. Then the result is 2x less 38 divide by 2 to the both side, then this is 19. X greater than or less 19, to conclude both the result. X is greater 10, meaning this is the answer. X कहाँ होगा? Greater 10 lesser 19, between them. This is the solution of this answer. अब कह रहा ऑड नंबर के पेयर बताओ क्या होंगे. तो ग्रेटर 10 if x is 11, right, then x plus 2 is 13. One pair is 11 comma 13. If x is 13, then this is 15. Another pair is 13 15. If x is 15, that is 17. Then the pair is 15 17. And the x is 17. This x is 19, but the x that it belongs to the less than 19. So this pair is 15 17 comma 19, which does not exist. So the pair of odd numbers are this. Possible pairs will be less than 19. So like this, pairs will be 11 13, 13 15, 15 17 और 17 19. ठीक है, 17 19 पॉसिबल है. क्यों पॉसिबल है? वो दिस इज x plus 2, दिस इज नॉट x, x is 17 और x should be less than 19. Next odd we will consider 19, which is not into the x. So the pairs are like this. This is the question. तो स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉपरली ध्यान रखें कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपर रीड करें, ढंग से समझें और सॉल्व करें. अभी एक क्वेश्चन और ले रहे हैं हम. नेक्स्ट वी विल टेक द अनदर क्वेश्चन. सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 6.1 एक्सरसाइज. देखो 1/2 ब्रैकेट 3x/5 प्लस 4 greater equal 1/3 x minus 6. This is the question number 12. 1/2 3x/5 plus 4 greater equal क्या करें? एक एलसीएम. प्लस 20 ग्रेटर इक्वल डाउन साइड देयर विल बी 10. मल्टीप्लाई 10 टू द बोथ साइड. कर दो प्रोडक्ट. This 10 cancel by this 10, this 10 taken into the product. Now we will remove this 3. So this is written again 10x माइनस ऑफ 60। अब अगर राइट का 3 रिमूव करते हो तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 टू द बोथ साइड। 9x प्लस 60 ग्रेटर इक्वल 30, 3 कैंसिल, द 10x माइनस 60, 10x minus 60. Now 60 we will remove from the left, then subtract 60 to both sides. This cancel to 9x greater equal 10x minus 120. अब क्या आ गया रिजल्ट? 9x ग्रेटर इक्वल 10x माइनस 120। हमें क्या करना है? 10x मूव इनटू द लेफ्ट साइड। कैसे मूव होगा? सब्ट्रैक्ट 10x बोथ साइड, 10x कैंसिल, देयर विल बी रिटर्न लाइक दिस। मल्टीप्लाई बाई -1, then it should be convert into, this is x, this is 120. That is the solution of this question. Question number 12. तो स्टूडेंट प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन को करना है और एक स्पेशल प्रिकॉशन इज देयर। whenever in product of -1, then always change its inequality. So it should be in your mind. Whenever the question is to be shifted by -1, then you will always change the sign of inequality. Understood? So the same question is solved in a proper way. Next question अगर आप देखते हो तो up to 20 there is no problem. 21 on behalf of an example, whenever the two words that occurs in the question, two words which are at least, at most, always use greater equal, at most लेस इक्वल। एटलीस्ट का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? कम से कम, वहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है और मैक्सिमम जितना अवेलेबल है। तो लेस देन नहीं होगा, ग्रेटर इक्वल। और एटमोस्ट का मीनिंग होता है टॉपेस्ट लेवल, इससे नीचे या वो इटसेल्फ। सो दिस इज द एटमोस्ट। So do concentrate over these two words. Solve all question of exercise 6.1 in a proper way in your copies. Again I will say, read it properly then solve all question. Thank you very much.